box turned up. Anyway, nicely packed. Possibly overkill, but it's well protected. There it is. So this is the 170mm version. I don't need 170mm, I probably only need about 140 total drop, but this was what was available at the time. So I'm just going to whip the seat off first. And we'll pull out the old post. We'll just need to feed in a bit of the cable as we pull this up to get it out. Alright, pull the cable down, out sideways, and hopefully, there we go. Right. Alright, well, what have we got? My existing cable has a sort of a bolt-on round thing to hold the end of it, and this looks like it requires a like a bullet head. So looking at the spare cable I've got here, yeah, that slips in there beautifully. Unfortunately, I have that in my lever. Well, that sucks. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is not going to work with the Oneup post, so I'll have to just take that out. Right, so now I'll just take that out of the housing, which comes out from up at the shift lever end. So I think what I might have to do to ride today, I'm going to have to do a bit of a temporary job, and probably put the little retainer up at the shifter end, which is going to be a little bit ugly. So I'll take the new cable. So now we've got the moulded in lug on the top, we can slip this in. To get that in place, I need to pull the cable at the shifter, at the selector end, or the lever end. So as we lower this, make sure I pull all the cable through and keep tension on that cable, so it hopefully doesn't slip out again. But yeah, which is hard, but anyway, let's try that. Get my little stopper on there, and we'll just try and tighten that up. Victory! Alright, we have a post that goes up. So this is interesting. The air valve is located underneath the seat on this, which means you have to take your seat off to pump it up if you need to. So there's a little rubber cap that goes over that air valve, which is nice. Keep all the crud out. Just pull these bolts down while you're trying to do them up. Otherwise the head pops out of the bracket and then just rotates. It's like about where I want it. These are extension adjustable, so basically I can take this collar off, put a packer under there, and what it will do will actually stop the seat coming up as far. So once I work out how I want it all, I guess that's what I'll end up doing, putting a packer in there. Away we go. That's, tell you what, the action is nice. My Specialized one seems to have almost like a rack and teeth inside. So when you're in these sort of intermediate extension locations, it grates, whereas this one, I think it's like a cam actuator inside, so I've read. So it's nice and smooth and just stops absolutely anywhere, no fusses whatsoever. Go for a ride.